What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C Will. You heard me? We back at it with another slight video, man. What it do? Hey, look, today's video, y'all. Look, we're gonna be putting on our Vicrez side skirts, man. Not recently, y'all. A long time ago, back whenever I had my Dodge Charger RT, you heard me? The little red octane red thing or whatever. I definitely put them on myself. So what I'm gonna try to do today, go to Walmart and get the little vehicle ramps, the car ramps, whatever, to lift up the front, or I can back it up, whatever, lift up the back, and then, you know, we're gonna put them things on, man. So I definitely think it'll be like a great addition to the car. We already got the front splitter on, we got the rear diffuser on, so to complete the little body package, Jeremy, we definitely missing the side skirts, but your boy got the side skirts already, man. I'm gonna show y'all them things too. But yeah, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. You hear me? I'm trying to be consistent with y'all, all that, man. So without further ado, let me show y'all these side skirts right quick, and we're gonna head to Walmart, get whatever we need, and we're gonna get to it. Yeah. All right, CEEFAM, I'm gonna let y'all in. So this right here is like my miscellaneous room, man. You know, miscellaneous, got all kind of stuff. But boom, we got the side skirts, man. Them things huge. Yeah, man, I've been had these, y'all, I'd say touching on 2-3 weeks. You know, boom, got them things, man. So all they had gave me to CEEFAM was these self-tap screws, which is fine. That's all you really need with these. So I mean, it's not gonna be bad. I don't know how many they gave me, but I'm gonna just put the equal amount on both sides, man. I'm gonna just, you know, count, see how much I'm gonna need, and then go from there, man. As y'all see, we do got the steering wheel too. So I actually got an appointment, I think Tuesday the 31st, man. They called me and said, look, your clock spring or whatever is in. So I was like, okay, bet. So Tuesday at 10:30, man, I'm gonna go back to the dealership and they're gonna put that thing on for me. All right, so I had asked them too, y'all. I'm like, hey, I mean, instead of y'all putting on the old steering wheel, can y'all just put on my new thing? Because I had to take it off for whatever. And they was like, yeah, I mean, if it's a plug and play and the fitment is right, which only thing they really care about is this little bolt fitment right here, right? So they was like, yeah, if the fitment right, guess what? We can put it on, man. So I'm gonna bring this thing to them too on the 31st, and then I'm obviously sell my old steering wheel. So yeah, that's that, man. Then we also, you know, just to keep y'all updated, come on, man, we also got the front grill, bruh. Definitely changing this bad boy out pretty soon. I don't know when I'm gonna take the bumper off, man, but again, because that bit was hard work, but I think it'll be easier for me next time because I know what I'm doing. I know how to put it on, all that. I think I'm gonna take off the front 2 tires next time I do this, just to have more room, right? So we got that. Then come on, hold up, don't sleep on you boys, CEEFAM. Hold up, let me get this thing out. I ain't trying to break nothing. As y'all see, man, we got these things right here, so that's gonna go like that. And then we got the little light, so whenever I do the turning signals, the headlight's gonna sync up with this. It's gonna be crazy, man. So I just need to get on my electrical stuff, man. So that's it. Just wanted to give y'all a little update, man, of what's going on. We got mods and stuff, man. You heard me? We got the front grille with the lights. You heard me? We got the steering wheel. Need to put that thing back on. After my steering column get fixed, that's gonna be on. Then these bad boys right here today. Shout out Vicrez, man. I'm not sponsored, but we working on that, man. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, CEEFAM, walking up to the whip. Man, people be trying to show out, bro. Like whenever they see me on camera, they try to show out, man. But look, let me let y'all see the whip right quick, man. Ooh, come on, man. I already know. Look, y'all not here to see me, CEEFAM. Y'all here to see the car, man. Which that's fully understandable. Hey, it's all good, man. But yeah, got this thing, man. Like I said, y'all, definitely just need the side skirts, bro, to go on the side, man. Cause yeah, the rest of the car is already complete. Yo, I swear to God, I washed my car yesterday, dude, and it's been right back dirty, boy. Look at that. Damn, it rained and everything on me, dog. So yeah, I need to figure out like a better system pertaining to keeping this thing clean, but I can't really do nothing if it's like this. Bro, who the hell is this right here? Look, see, I swear, they just be, I don't know, they be weird over here, man. See somebody with something nice, they want to watch me. But that's all right. Somebody watch you, CEEFAM, they either mean, look, you doing something really effed up or you doing something good. I think we doing something good, man. So, but yeah, let's head over to Walmart, man. Just wanted to give y'all a little view of what we got going on. Front splitter, the side skirts going on. That's gonna look nice, man. The weather out here, y'all, is really not the best, you heard me? But hey, we finna get these mods in, man. Let's get it done. Oh yeah, just got to Walmart, man. So like I said, y'all, shit, only thing that we really need out of here is the damn ramps, y'all. But hey, y'all know, like, whenever y'all go into the store, like, y'all only go in for one thing, but then y'all end up getting like 10 other things. That's probably how it's gonna be, man. But hey, let's go up in here and see what we can find, man. Shit sad. Shit. All right, CEEFAM, so far, man, I was kind of debating between this big boy jack, man, you know, the big ones, the ones that the mechanics use and all that, one versus this one right here, 2.5 ton low profile thing. I opened it up, it looked good, man. So the one down there was 134, this one right here was like 78. So I'm gonna just get this one, man. It looked pretty good. So I'm really trying to work on my own car now, so save me some bread. That I got 2 3-ton jack stands for like what, $35? Yeah, $35 for them two. 78 for this. Take my tires off, man, if I ever need to, you know. Boom. Got my little lug wrench or whatever like that. Got some damn cable ties. Whenever I put my front grill on, I'ma definitely need this bad boy right here. What else? I got this right here just to have. Is it gonna focus? Not gonna focus? Okay, whatever. So got this bad boy right here to take out any kind of like little pins or whatever. Use this bad boy to do that. I got this whenever I like splice into my wires and all that, like I'll have this bad boy right here to cut, so I'll be able to splice. And then yeah, just need the jack stand, not the jack stands, the car ramps, man. They said that it's in stock online. They probably got them in the back, so I'ma just go ask somebody for them. But yeah, like I said, y'all, originally I was only coming in here for the car ramps, but guess what? Ended up getting a lot more stuff, man. So hey, we finna get to it though. All right, CEEFAM, just got out of Walmart, man. As y'all can see, bruh, low-key cashed out, bruh. Low-key. Nothing too crazy, man. So shit, let me see. We ended up getting, bruh, 2.5 ton low profile jack. Got me a little tool bag, about $6. Got some cable ties, electrical tape, you know, just some little minor things, man. Got 2 more bath towels and stuff. Got 2 3-ton jack stands. Got our lug wrench too, man. Multi-purpose, different sizes and stuff. So yeah, man, we definitely you know, trying to get the car right, you heard me? Shout out Walmart. So I was trying to get the damn car ramps. Online they did say that they had them, but in store they didn't have none, which is dumb. So hey, just to prove to y'all, look, man, my stuff is fixed too, y'all. See that Hellcat sign right there? See that bit right there? Goddamn, that bit is fixed, bro. My little door light, oh, can't see it. Oh, now you see it. Can't see him, now you see me. So yeah, man, I got that thing fixed, bro. Thank God. Just put up to the crib, finna download all this shit, man. And yeah, jack up the car, put these things on each side. And yes sir, that's it. All right, CEEFAM, just now jacked this thing up. I actually have it on jack stands. Don't know if y'all can see, but got it on 2 jack stands in the back right there. Shout out to my guy. He actually came out here and helped me, man. Did I need help? I don't know, maybe so, who knows. I'm not one of the people that deny help. So he came out, he was watching me, he was like, hey man, you know, I seen you, and he bought out a jack stand of his own, or a jack of his own. I was like, hey, that's fine, more help the better, man. So yeah, finna get up under the car, man, put these things on. So as y'all can see, this is how they look, you know, flat black things or whatever, with the Vicrez thing right there. May end up taking that off because they're not sponsoring the boy CEEFAM, so I ain't about to be giving them free promo, especially with this thing. Nah, I really rock with Vicrez though, I ain't gonna hold y'all. But yeah, man, I don't know, look like it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna try to hurry up, bro, get this thing done. So yeah, let's get to it. Like I said, I'm gonna put 7 across right here, and I'm gonna put 7 on the other side. So yeah, gonna get this thing going, bro. Let's get to it. All right, CEEFAM, so I almost left this part out of the video. So I had to drill some 1/8 pilot holes right here. So I drilled 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, man. So Yeah, it would have definitely been easier, man, if I'd have had the ramps and all that. But went to Walmart, they said that they had them online, didn't have them in store. Then the dude was like, oh yeah, our inventory messed up. Man, I don't want to hear that, man. Y'all need to get better. But yeah, that's it, man. Now I can just go underneath, drill the holes in, and then be good. So let's get to that. All right, CEEFAM, just now finished up on the right side. As y'all can see, we got that thing in there. So see, ended up doing it all the way back. So I got what, 3 back there. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1 more all the way up there. Y'all can't see it because of the jack, but yeah. So underneath here, y'all, there's like, it's like a little thing. I don't know what it's even called. It's like a little metal or plastic little groove, or like a little edge right here. All you gotta do is push your side skirt all the way up against this edge or this corner, and then line it up like that. That's basically how I did it. You can add more screws if y'all want to, man, right? But I didn't do that. I just put 7 and 7. So yeah, man, I mean, I think it looked good, you know. Good little side skirt to it. Like I said, y'all, should we keep this on? Comment down below, man. Vicrez not paying me, so yeah, man, I don't know. But yeah, I think it looked good though, y'all. So I'm gonna lower this side right here down. Now I'm gonna go do the other side, man. So yeah, and then just a little tip for y'all as well, man. So if y'all want to, y'all can just put this front one in, line it up against this front mud flap, line it up, and then put the front one in, and then do the rear one in, right? Just so y'all can hold it up, right? And then y'all can worry about the middle ones. But I would definitely recommend lining up the front one first, drill that hole, and then line up the back one as well, drill that hole, so you can have something holding it up, right? So then you can just worry about the middle ones, y'all. So like I said, I'm finna lower this thing down now. Excuse this loud truck right here. And then yeah, get to it, man. Get to the other side. And just like that, CEEFAM, man, we are done, bro. So I definitely tried to show y'all, man, how I did it. On one side, well, this side over here, had to show y'all how I did it, man. So yeah, if in the event y'all get yours from Vicrez, man, the Vicrez sticker does go at the end of it. So y'all see how like it started off straight right here, then it has this curvature, then it goes straight all the way down, then it's curvy again right here. That's just how it go, I guess, to go with the body lines of the car. So as y'all can see, boom. Yeah, this thing look good though, y'all. I'm definitely pleased, man. Like, it always feel better, y'all, knowing that you can just do your own work and you ain't gotta worry about taking it to a shop. What's up, my boy? Huh? Making a video? Yeah, I'm making a video, man. It's nice, appreciate it, boss. Hey, always be humble too, CEEFAM. I could have been like, oh, I know. Nah, man, be humble. Just as easy and as quick as I got this, hey, it could be going just like that too, CEEFAM. So you gotta be humble. Hey, thank you, man, I appreciate it. You know, hey, I'm just blessed, man, that's it. So yeah, man, look, boom, the other side. Yeah, so shout out to the fitment and all that. Well, shout out to Vicrez for the fitment. You know, they definitely did their thing on this. So see, that basically flush too, y'all. See, boom, that thing flush. Stop playing with me, man. So I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I really envision myself having like my own shop one day, man. I'm only working on Mopars too. I can pretty much do anything to these cars, bro. Charger, Challenger, it don't matter, bro. If you got a Mopar, I can basically do anything. Well, I can't put headers and all that, but I can basically do anything to the cars, man. So yeah, comment down below, man, what y'all think about it, bro. We got everything, man. We got the side skirts, we got the front splitter, we got, let me see, hold up. We got the diffuser, and like I said, well, and we also got the, what is it, wicker bill right here. We got the spoiler king wing right here. Come on, man, aerodynamics going crazy. I think that's what it's called. Correct me in the comments, man. So I'm thinking about getting the little winglets too, y'all. The little winglets that go right here. just to complete the overall look. But yeah, for the most part, man, hey, I think it's good. People always ask, oh, see, Will, what's the use of side skirts and all that? So from my perspective, right, what I think is, like, whenever you driving, right, obviously you're gonna have rocks and all that flying up from your front wheels and all that, right? So with the side skirts, at least what I think they do, right? So instead of like rocks and all that, just instead of rocks and all that bouncing from your front tire to your body of the car, they'll just go from the front. And then these right here, I guess, are meant to protect, right, anything that comes off the ground from hitting, like whether it's underneath your little side rocker right here or whether it's like the side of your car. This right here, I believe, is meant to like keep all that stuff, y'all, from hitting your actual car, whether it's your paint, your wrap, any of that stuff, y'all. So yeah, like I said, man, hey, cars coming together, y'all, right? We definitely did this by ourselves, man. Well, shout out to my Mexican boy, man. He came down. It's actually my neighbor underneath me. He came down, helped me out a little bit, man, with the placement of the damn jack, because I couldn't find the metal underneath the car. I kept finding plastic. Had to find the metal, man. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for stopping in, man. Just give y'all one last look at the baby, dog. Ooh wee, them things look good, bro. I'm so blessed, so humble, man. All that, bro. Look, y'all new to the channel, CEEFAM. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. It's your boy C Will, and y'all my CEEFAM, and I'll holla at y'all, baby.